Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 22, 2023. Evil Sudoku. Fifth row, sixth row, column E, we have 1. So one can't come in these cells. Then only confirm here. Column E, column F, we have 1. So one can't come these cells. Then only confirm here. Ninth row, 10th row, we have 8. Column I also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirm here. Ninth row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. The ninth grade, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 7. Column J, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Then only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 3 and 6 will confirm later. 10th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 3rd row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column G, column I, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column J will already have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, 2nd row, 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, column C, at 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 8. Column G also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, column F, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column H, only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 9, 4. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Now 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 9, 6. Column C and 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come Then in this cell, it will sound will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column D, we got 7. 8th row also we got 7. So 7 can't come. These cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. The 10th row, 3 numbers are in it. 1, 2, 3. Column C we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. The 10th row, 2 numbers are in it. 1 and 2. Column D we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come. These cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells to confirm later. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 1st grade, only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 9. Column G, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we already got 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th grade, column G, only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.